Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Data BI SQL. So in today's video, right, we'll continue with Amazon SQL interview questions, part 18. So till now I have covered part 17, right? All those videos are in a playlist for Amazon SQL interview questions. I'll put the playlist link in the description as well, and I'll add this video as well. So if you haven't already looked at 17 of my videos, I highly recommend that you go and look at those videos. Right, I mean, I've covered various concepts in those videos. So before we get started for today's videos, I request you guys to please subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you have been enjoying the content that I prepare. Right, so let's get started with today's video. So in today's video, right, we'll be covering the concept of with CTE, right? It's so I have covered this concept before as well, but those of you who have not looked at my other videos, you'll be able to see the concept of with CTE, right, and as well as the rank function, right, and the subquery. Okay, so this is a little bit, I would say, advanced concept, I would say. Once you format the query, it's not that difficult, but this is kind of a little bit an advanced concept because it's not a straightforward query. You have to write a with city clause, or you have to remember the rank function and what it does, right? So that's why I would say it's not a complex questions, but it's somewhere between simple to medium. So I would say a little bit of advanced concept. So let's get started. So there is one table given over here. Select star from product dim. Okay. So if you see the product dim table, right? So what it has a product ID, it has a product name, it has a product category, and then it has a price. Okay, and start date and end date. Okay. So what the question is, list products with having highest total price within each category. Okay, so what they are saying is within each of these categories. So the cloth is a category, accessory is a category, electronics is a category, glasses is a category. Within that, you have different product name, right? So within clothes, you have shirt and tie. You have shorts and jeans as well within the clothes, okay? And electronics, you have 80-inch TV, you have tablet, you have phone, right? So within each category, there is a product. So within each category, you need to identify a product with having a highest price. Okay, so if you see, let's look at clothes. Clothes is shirt tie, so 30 rupee, $30 for example, or $10, right? And then you have $20 and $70. So which one is the highest? Jeans is the highest, right? Because it has a $70. Okay. So within accessories, you have only one category, so only that will come up, right? Only one product. Electronics, you have 80-inch TV, tablet, and phone, right? So 80-inch TV is having the highest price of $1,500, right? And toys and glasses has its own category, right? So has its own one product, right? So that product should be listed, correct? So basically, when they are asking you to do this kind of a query, right, just immediately it should strike to you, right? It's going to be a group by clause, right? Or it's not going to be a group by clause, I would say, but it they are asking you to partition or group by the category, right? So it could be a group by clause as well, or it could be a partition by, right? Because partitioning is also a group by, right? You're partitioning by that particular category. So in this case, it's not a group by, it will be partitioned by and with the rank function, right? So one thing is they're asking you to categorize that, right? Partition by category or group by category, and then they are asking you to further find out the highest total price. So highest price is basically when they say highest, right? I mean, it should immediately click you. Either it could be a max function, it could be a rank function, right? That's how you're going to rank it, right? You're going to rank it based upon max, dense rank, row number, right? Because in order to get the highest price, you need to first list down the prices, right? And list down the which one is costly, which one is second costly, third costly, things like that, right? So basically, you need to have two things in your mind. Either it has to be categorized, right, by category, right, partition by or group by, and second is you need to have some kind of a max rank partition function, right? So in this case, right, the best function that goes with is a rank function, right? Because you're going to rank within each category, And within the rank function, as you see, there is a partition by. So within rank function, you can do a group by. So group by is nothing but like kind of a partition by. So when you're using rank function, you're saying that partition by category. That's what they're asking, right? Partition by category and order by price. Okay. So basically, since you are having the category and product name, right? What you're saying is within the category, partition it by price, right? Within the category, you are going to partition it by a price and descending, right? Because descending, why? Because they have asked the highest price. If they ask the lowest price, you should do ascending. Okay. You can remove the descending. Okay. Now, within that also, this also there are two approaches. Okay, one is the approach one and one is approach two. So why I have listed both the approaches is because I probably talk about that. So one approach is using with clause. Okay, with CTE. Okay, this is called with CTE. Okay, so with you basically what you're doing is when you use a with clause, you are basically forming a temporary table. Okay, and putting this data. Okay, and then basically after that you're trying to get the data. Okay, so when write this clause, as you see, this will become a table. Okay, add a prod underscore price table. Okay, so within that the query is select category, product name, price, rank, right? Rank over partition by category and order by price description, this descending, right? Why price descending? Because they are asking highest, and partition by category because within each category they're asking you to find out the total price, right? So if you see this query, right, you get it, right? So within each category, you see that it is ranking the products, right? So basically accessory, there is only one product, so rank one. Clothes, the jeans is the highest one, right? Then two, three, four. So we are saying one. Within electronics, you have the 8-inch TV as the highest one, and then within sunglass and glasses and toys, there's only one. So both the ranks are one, right? So basically, what we are doing is, and then we are writing query select star from this table where rank underscore product is equal to one, correct? So when we do this, what we get? We get all the categories, right? Within that, we got the product name and the product with the highest price, right? That's our answer. Now, you will ask, okay, why you need to write this, right? Why you need to write this CTE directly just to the function, right? But that doesn't work because rank is a Windows function, okay? You can't just directly write from where, right? Rank underscore product. If you see, rank underscore product is equal to one. I can't write this query, okay? It's not possible to write this query because what will happen is column rank underscore product does not exist, okay? That's how it's going to tell you, okay? Even if you use this one, then what it will do? Order by. Where over partition by is equal to one. Syntax error at, okay? So you can't basically write this kind of a function directly. So you have only two options. So the approach one I said, right? So with table, right? Make it as a with CTE, common table expression. It's called common table expressions with CTE, right? So what common table expression is basically nothing but what you're doing is to put the output of this query, right? You are forming a temporary table, okay? And you're writing with this as, and then once you have the output of this table, you are saying select star from this table where rank product is equal to one, right? We want the highest price product, right? So that's why we have to go. The second approach is you don't go with city, but you basically put this as a table, right? The same query I have used here, form it as a table and do a star from that table, right? It's a one and the same thing we are doing, okay? We are doing with city and then we are start selecting. Here what we are doing, we are forming a subquery, okay? We are forming a subquery here. And then from that subquery, we are selecting that, right? So if you see this, it's the same query that I used on above. But then what I'm doing is from this table, I'm selecting category, product name, price, and I'm saying where. Here I can use where. Okay, here I can use where because I am selecting from a table. Okay, I put this query into a table. So what happens is this A is treated like a table with the individual rows. Got it? Here this is basically acting like a table with individual rows, and then I'm saying From this table, just give me this column where the column is equal to 1. Okay. So if you go with this, the output is same. Okay. So there are two approaches. One approach is to have this with CTE. One approach is to have it with a subquery. Okay. Both the approaches are fine. Whichever way you prefer, whichever way it's easy for you, right? I would say go with that approach, right? I mean, um, uh, either way, the interviewer is not going to say, oh, use this approach. You just need to give them an output, and whatever approach works for you best, right? You use that approach, okay? But I just wanted to show both the approach, that it's possible to have it in either way, right? And whatever suits you well, you can go with that. Okay. Now, if you see here, if we were to, let's say, remove descending, so let's say the question that is being asked here is products with having the lowest total price in each category, right? Lowest total price. So lowest means what? You need to rank it according to the lower price. Okay. So here you will see that here just see electronics 18-inch TV is coming, right? That will not come. Okay, so electronics, what is happening? Tablet is coming because $500 is the lowest price for the electronics. Okay, lowest price product. If you were to go and query this table, right, and you see electronics, you see tablet is the lowest price, 500. Okay, and electronics is 1000 and 18-inch TV is 1500, right? It's the lowest price because we removed the descending, right? We are now ranking it by the lowest price. Lowest price product has come up, right? And in but the question was, give me the highest price product. That's why we had to put the descending, so it gets the highest price. Okay, and that's the output. Okay, yeah. So it basically covered, with CT concept, it covered the subquery concept, covered the rank function, right? So this is definitely somewhere in the advanced level of category. So definitely expect this kind of questions in senior BIE, senior data engineer, senior solution architect kind of interviews, right? I mean, where little bit of advanced concepts are covered as a part of the initial round of interviews. Okay. All right. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. That's it for today. See you in the next video.